Close your eyes and imagine a land that still feels untouched, raw, powerful, and alive, where animals walk freely like they own the land. A land filled with culture, rhythm, and life. Welcome to the Great African Journey, designed by South India's most trusted tour operator. Welcome to Africa with Soman's Leisure Tours. Come.
In this 12-day adventure, we depart from the Indian subcontinent to Africa on Ethiopian Airlines. And throughout those days, we will explore 4 African countries: South Africa, Botswana, Zimbabwe, and Zambia. In this journey, you will stand before something so powerful: the mighty Victoria Falls, where water crashes down with a thunder you can feel, and mist rises high, painting rainbows in the air. You will come face to face with the falls, from both the Zimbabwe side and the Zambia side. Closer, stronger, and more alive than ever before. Also, you will drift along the calm waters of the Chobe River, watching elephants gather at the banks as the wild reveals itself, slowly and beautifully. You will step into the vastness of Chobe National Park, a land filled with life, where every moment brings you closer to nature in its purest form. You will explore the open lands of Ozi-Oa-Tunya National Park, where safaris feel peaceful and wildlife moves freely across untouched spaces. In this journey, you will arrive in a city where mountains meet the ocean, Cape Town, calm, beautiful, and unforgettable. You will rise above it all at Table Mountain, watching the world open up beneath you. You will drive along the breathtaking curves of Chapman's Peak, with endless ocean views. You will stand at the edge of the world, at the Cape of Good Hope, and look out from Cape Point, where 2 oceans meet. Then we'll sail to Seal Island. We will meet the charming penguins of Boulders Beach. We'll slow down at a peaceful wine farm. We'll pass through coastal gems like Hermanus and Mossel Bay, and we'll step into the ancient world of the Kango Caves, and we will witness ostrich farms, Satyagraha House, and the Lasidi Cultural Village, where culture, music, and life come alive. Come with Somans on this great African journey, departing on the 25th of May. We assure you that in this journey, you won't be just seeing Africa. You will be feeling it. Come and let Africa see you.